Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the old phone powers and that the battery is usable. If not, plan a constant 5V USB power feed. Next, wipe personal data and remove old accounts so location services run without interruptions. Once done, enable developer options and turn on Stay Awake while charging to prevent sleep-killing GPS. Install a dedicated GPS tracking app, a background location permission manager, and optionally an automation app to restart services. This gets you a clean, autonomous base ready for configuration. Now you tune how location is captured and sent. Set GPS to high accuracy and grant persistent background location permission so the tracker stays live. Then configure the app's reporting interval, balance update frequency with battery or power usage, and set the server endpoint or cloud account. Enable local caching to avoid data loss if offline. Once configured, disable battery optimization per app and lock the device into a kiosk mode or launcher so settings aren't changed accidentally. Make sure remote restart is enabled. Finish by mounting and powering the phone in its final location, then run a full test. Walk a known route, watch timestamps and coordinate accuracy, and confirm uploads reach your dashboard. If tracking fails, first confirm stable power and that GPS has a clear sky view, then check that background permissions and battery optimizations weren't re-enabled. If connectivity or app crashes occur, enable automated app restarts or remote ADB access, and keep a simple physical reset procedure. This ensures continuous tracking and a clear recovery path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.